Hello guys, this is Ranger and welcome to another tutorial video. Welcome to the Ranger Co. Wrench Showcase. Today's video is showing you how to make moving vehicles like planes and cars that carry the person. You can also make a steering wheel with it as well. So what we're going to do is make two parts. So I don't have it up there because this is what happens when you don't have a steering wheel. Everything is an F. F to interact. We don't want that. That's not good. So what we do is we're going to make this one thing. This is going to be the tutorial car. Then we are going to make this our steering wheel. Steering wheel. Now we save it. So what we're going to do is look at my behavior here that I have. So we have uninteract. This is what makes it give us the F to interact key. We have block position and we have character. So to bring a character along, you have to have entity get position, and you connect the character to entity so you get the position. You turn this into vector 3 to components. So you put the position into the vector 3, turns into X, Y, Z. From here, you have add 3 math components. You have add the X, Y, Z to each of these values, and then what you're going to add. So this should not be a thing here, because this actually breaks it. Kind of, not really. This should be 0.5. Negative 0.5. 0.5. 0.5. 0.5. There, okay. Now, what we have here is, let me turn this to tutorial car. So this is connected here. We have two things. We have entity set position. So these components that you had, because it's a sum, because it's added, you add the components to vector 3. So now you have positions again. And you put it here, entity set position. You put the position here and the character of who interacted into entity here. Now you have group move blocks, where you're going to have the vehicle you want to move, but you also want to clone this, connect this here, and turn this into have this as steering wheel. You need both of these. You don't really need to wait. I just kind of put it there just cause. I don't know why, I just do it. So keep these, just keep going straight. Don't mess with these. Only mess with these. This is the only thing you gotta mess with that make your guys stay on the vehicle. So we have the character going 4.5 because I want my character to make sure its key keeps going without falling down. Because you don't want your character falling down because then you get left behind. So now we have this going on. And this brings out your entire thing. So what we'll do is start game. Also, this world is published. If you guys have a alpha access code, or you guys want to, when this comes out, when Jamango is for public access and everyone can play it, you guys can go check out my game. It is the Ranger Co's Wrench Showcase, and it's published. Anyone can be able to play it that's on. So what we have here is this. So, see, because of that negative 0.5, we're not getting pulled to the side like I have been before. And I had that 0.5 on the movement before, so I'm not getting sent back here. So we are directly being able to move with this car. You can press this as many times as you want. Like, look, we're coming up. I might do that. Oops. Do this. And let me type up light. So that means when this is green, the other one's red. Which means, okay, we can go. Oh, we have to wait. We're on the middle of the road, though. Alright, it's about to be green. Alright, green, go, 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 go. Alright, we passed. So that's how you can make a moving vehicle. That also works with dealing with the helicopter as well. Which I actually have to fix it following what I did there. I had to do it to here, as well as this vehicle over here. That we have a crush for. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to learn more about how to make features and use a wrench, then check out my other wrench showcase, like how to make the working lights. I'll be making an updated version with the white background and making it work like this does, as well as the second light set. Plus, I'll be doing more as we get more features being submitted. So, see you guys next time. Bye!